Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam ID. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam interface, there's something important you need to know before we continue. You can't actually change your Steam ID, which is the real numeric ID permanently assigned to your account. However, there is an alternative way to personalize your Steam identity, and that's by changing your custom URL. This is what people see when they visit your profile, and it's perfect for making your Steam profile more memorable and easier to share with friends. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of your Steam window. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where all your gaming activity, achievements, and personal information are displayed. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel. Here you'll find various profile management options. Click on Edit Profile to access your profile customization settings. This is where you can modify everything from your avatar to your biography and, importantly, your custom URL. In the Edit Profile section, look for the Custom URL option. You'll see a text field directly below it where you can enter your desired custom URL. Click on this text field and type in the custom URL you want to use. This is the part of your profile link that comes after steamcommunity.com/id/, so choose something that represents you well. Keep in mind that this URL needs to be unique and not already taken by another Steam user. After you've entered your preferred custom URL, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You'll see a Save button there. Click on it to apply your changes. Steam will process your request and update your profile with the new custom URL. You've now successfully personalized your Steam profile with a custom URL that's much easier to remember and share than the default numeric ID. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.